We are looking at my Eastar C flutes. So this is a excellent beginner style flute that is approved for using in band or just for general learning. So you can see it comes with a full set, so case, and I'm gonna unbox all the things within it. So we first see a little microfiber cloth, great for keeping it shiny. We've got a little instruction piece and gloves for handling the pieces so you don't end up with fingerprints all over, which is great. The case itself too just keeps everything very much in place, and this little microfiber cloth is for cleaning the actual flute within it. Then we've got a strap for the case, so if you are porting this to school or bringing it anywhere with you, that comes in super handy. Then this here is the stand itself, so super easy to set up and nice to have something to hold it up on without having to disassemble it and put it back in your case. So now I am just assembling the flute itself, very straightforward. You just apply those in. You can use like a wax or anything to kind of grease it up too if you're having any issues or for better maintenance. That is not included though. And then here I am just giving it a little test out. I'm left-handed, so I go the opposite way, I believe, than what other people do. So do it what feels best for you. So I'm just finding my rhythm here a little bit. But yeah, love this whole set. Very high quality. They do have some other colors as well. Very compact and portable, and the sound itself is great. Definitely recommend it.